In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Caffeine, keep screen on, and get free app from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and go into Tab menu. Finally, you can edit it by tapping on this pen at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and click on Caffeine shortcut. Hold it, drag it, and place it wherever you want to. When you finished, go back and click on the shortcut to activate it. You can turn it off the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!